Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your Gmail account to Thunderbird. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to go ahead and open up Thunderbird. Then from there, we want to click on the three horizontal lines on the top right hand corner of the page here. Then once we've done that, we want to click onto account settings. Now, once we're inside of here, we want to click onto new account and then mail account. Now here we want to put in your full name and email address and then hit continue. And then from there we need to go ahead and choose, is it an IMAP, so keep your folders and emails synced on your server, or POP3, so keep your folders and emails on your computer. So choose which one you would like to do. I'm going to go with IMAP and click on continue. Now a little pop-up is going to appear where you're going to have to go ahead and sign in. So sign in with your email and password. Then once you've done that, you can come back here and that's going to go ahead and add in your Gmail. As you can see here, Account Hub, I've got my address book, calendars. I want to click continue, click finish. Now if we come up to the top, we can see your email account will be added into Thunderbird.